Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. As you have completed day 39 agenda, that is about AWS Route 53. That's demo with the code ADI. So the practically we were understanding that how it can be implemented, the Route 53 to the backend, the ALB or NLB or whatever it is. And as well as from the code ADI, how do we map it to that AWS hosted zone? That is also important. Yeah, if we didn't know these concepts, yes, as DevOps engineer, there are the very, very important concepts. Yes, go ahead and review that. And yes, ready for this today's agenda. Yeah, but before starting this today's agenda, if you're following this learning path, and if you think this is very helpful to enhance about your DevOps skills, but DevOps still we didn't start it. We are still that at Linux. Yes, some important 15 days activities we are understanding and shell scripting around yes, around 9 classes which you are understanding. And AWS, almost it is about 25 to 26 classes. Because that is a high level, knowing that all these concepts not at all going to help in that. So we need to have the deep understanding about each and every the module. That is Linux is required, and shell scripting required. Yes, if you're going to face the interview or if you're going to write that the automation script, the first and foremost is the shell scripting. But if you'd like to be strong on the shell scripting, you should be strong on the Linux sometimes. But without knowing the Linux, you cannot go directly jump into that, the shell scripting, right? Yeah, so all these points, if you feel that as a structured way we have given and these are all helping that. So please like, comment and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, so thank you for your support. And now this is the time to move into this next agenda, that is day 40, that is RDS, another important service. But what is that about RDS, and what are like important points that's which we should know that from the RDS? Yes, let's look into that. Are you ready to understand some points on this RDS? Yeah, so we are in this workflow process, and in that workflow, yes, we are almost in the AWS cloud journey, and we are at day 40. And yes, before starting this about our forum, so let me talk it that what are the important points that's which we should know from the RDS section. Yeah, already we have the database concept, right? Why do we need that RDS already? I mean, in our EC2 instance, we can set up this database that is a MySQL or Oracle or whatever the database that is required for that application. We can set up and we can use it. But what is the advantage going for this RDS service from AWS? First of all, what is the RDS? This is a database managed service. Yeah, we can do this on the EC2 instance and we can install the MySQL and we can set up that. But going for that RDS, some important points, there is a backups and recovery mechanisms and upgrades of those databases. So they're all advantage. So who is helping that all these activities is backend AWS team, they are helping that. That's why we said that this is the managed service. So what do you need it? So which database you need it? At what time do you need the backups? At what time do you need it, like Windows, that is a maintenance window. So you can just define some inputs while creating that RDS service and create that RDS service with here's the storage, how much that is required, and what is the capacity of the system that is required. With all the properties, just define it, and the remaining story will be taken care by AWS. Yeah, but yeah, in that context, whenever we are working with that RDS, yeah, we should know that importance of that RDS and optimization techniques, that is improving that the scalability and optimization point of view. Yes, we should know that what is the read replicas and the importance of the read replicas, and how do we manage that the high availability of the databases, that is a multi-availability zone, how do we define it? So backups mechanisms, how do we define it? Backups and yes, restore. That is another important point from the RDS. So knowing that point, yes, understanding the backups and the restore points, and securing that's about your data with the security groups, and as well as other storages, whatever we are defining that encryption options. Yeah, so these are all some important points which we should know that as a DevOps engineer, if you're going to support that the CI/CD process with RDS. Yes, application is using that AWS infra with RDS. Yes, we should know as a DevOps engineer all these concepts. Yes, they are expecting that all these points. Yeah, so all these points that have been discussed in this today's agenda video. So you are going to get it all these detailed points, the very, very important. Yes, go ahead and review it and refer it. And if you'd like to access that, yes, so this is about forum link. So the click on this forum link, and which will be redirected to this section. So here one video. So, but actual demonstration, yes, we have this another section. I'll come back to that. That is next agenda. But today, knowing about that RDS and about like read replicas and disaster recovery mechanisms and backups, what is a backup and what is a manual backup and snapshot concepts, what is the restore point of the time. So all these concepts that has been explained. So go ahead and know that each and every point and work with that and get ready for the next agenda. Yeah, that's all from this section. So today, so I hope so you got it, the important points on this RDS. Yeah, try to learn it, all these points in this today's session. Yeah, thank you. That's all from my side.